Now children, we have to read some extra points in lesson time and tense in present indefinite tense. As I have told you to use the correct form of verbs according to time given in a sentence. But sometimes the time is absent in a sentence. Then it is a problem to use correct form of verbs in a sentence form. And how we shall do it? So we shall do it depending on the notes given here. In present indefinite, there are some extra points which we have to study in time and tense. As it is given in the note here, as I told you, sometimes the sentence has no time. In such sentence, we have to learn the following tips to use the correct form of verbs. Point number 1, note number 1. In a sentence which indicates universal truth, the form of verb will be used in present indefinite tense. If you have to write the correct form of verbs in a sentence and which has no time, then first of all we shall see what the sentence indicates. And if we shall know that the sentence indicates universal truth, as the sun, blank space, in the east, and the form of verb which you have to use in blank space is rise. So how can you use this, the correct form of this verb? So we shall use the correct form of verb by knowing that the sentence is universal truth. And you should know in a sentence which presents universal truth, which indicates universal truth, V1 SAIS form of verb is used. Present indefinite form of verb is used. As it is given in example, the sun rises in the east. And now, note second. In a sentence which indicates fact, fact means truth, present indefinite form of verb will be used. It means the verb given in a sentence in bracket will be used in present indefinite tense. As we know, the form of verb in present indefinite tense is V1 SAIS. As for example, if the sentence is the cow, blank space, grass, and we have to fill up the blank space with the correct form of verb eat, then we shall use this verb in present indefinite tense as the rule says. The next example is while blank space on water, and the verb which we have to use is float. Then time is also absent here, and this sentence indicates fact. As you know, it is true that while floats on water, then this sentence is a fact, and hence we shall use the word float in present indefinite tense in V1 SAIS form. And now we shall see point 3, note 3, which tells if in a sentence which indicates planned future action, present indefinite form of verb is used. Planned future action means if we have made a plan to do something in future, this is called planned future action. As for example, the Prime Minister blank space here tomorrow. Tomorrow indicates future time, and the planned future action is that the Prime Minister is to come here tomorrow, and hence the verb form come will be used in present indefinite tense. The next example, he blank space for Delhi tomorrow. Here the sentence also indicates planned future action, and we have to use the correct form of verb leave. So we already know now that it will be used in present indefinite tense. As the rule says, the sentence indicates planned future action. Now, in note 4, if in a sentence which indicates conditional sentence, in a sentence which indicates condition, present indefinite form of verb is used. As for example, if he blank space, I shall go there, and we have to use correct form of verb come. Then, as I told you, this sentence indicates condition. If he comes, I shall go there. Come will be used in present indefinite tense here. Note number 5. There are also some verbs which use depends on the subject given in a sentence. Its form of verb changes according to the subject given in a sentence. Hence the rule says, if we have to use the correct form of verbs such as taste, feel, smell and sound, it is used according to the subject of the sentence. Hence, if the subject is non-living, then present indefinite form of the given verbs will be used. And if the subject is living, present continuous form of verb is used. As for example, as it is given in the sentence, the pot blank space hot. here we have to use the form of verb feel. Then how can you know to use the form of verb feel? First of all, we shall point out the subject. Here the subject is non-living, pot. Hence, the verb feel will be used in present indefinite tense. V1 SIS form. And here in the next example, the subject is he, which is living, and hence the verb form of feel will be used in present continuous tense. The verb form of present continuous tense is am, is, are, VING, and here he is feeling cold. Now, today the class is over and we shall learn more about time and tense in next tense in the class tomorrow.